And welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to create a new Reeborg's world, and in this video we're going to do around 1. So all it has to do is just come around all one time. So okay, now let's delete this code and start writing. So what we need, first of all, we need to create a write function. So that def write. Oh wait, comes left. We don't need write. All we got to do is just write for I in range of how many times 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Also we come over here and write how many times we have to move. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 turn left. So now let's check it. It has to work. What do you think, guys? It has to work because it's so easy. Yep, it will work. I think so, because it has to end at the starting position. Reeborg says I'm done. So okay guys, this was all for this lecture of around 1. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.